Hey guys, welcome to Couch Potato. I'm your host Mayank Anand and today look at the poster everyone. आजकल ट्रेंड में चल रहा है ये मूवी. ठीक है. This movie is Zack Snyder's Justice League. And today again with me I have my very good friend Anindya Vedant with me who is very knowledgeable about DC. I can't fight him there. I can only fight him when it's Marvel. Uh, so yeah, let's get to it Anindya. Uh, what did you feel about the movie?
No words, yaar. Matlab, this is like Mona Lisa of movies. This is like perfection. This is art, and that's what you say about such a movie. Yeah, I know we're not supposed to compare to pictures, movies, pictures. जो भी बोल रहा है.
Yeah.
But this is the original Justice League, and this like hashtag restore Snyderverse and HBO Max. Okay, I recently I just before this podcast I read hashtag Deathstroke HBO Max is trending on Twitter now. Fans want
Damn.
the Justice League Deathstroke to be restored. So this is the effect it has. So that's you can tell how good a movie is by the effect it has, and that's what Snyder like Zack Snyder's jail is doing it right now. So
I mean,
I cannot yeah.
as you said that even I know that we shouldn't compare two movies, but to me it had a better effect on me than Endgame did. Me being a Marvel fan, okay, I know how much Zack was, passionate about this movie. Now, I'm not saying that it was better than Infinity War. It was as good as Infinity War, okay, but not. मतलब Endgame doesn't stand a chance. You know why? Because Endgame, to be that legendary, it took those many heroes, to be on screen.
Exactly, yeah.
But Zack did not have to try that hard.
Five is enough.
6.
Five.
But okay.
यार अब
It's like,
ठीक है अब
it is like he used that introductory sense of Justice League. It was an introduction to Justice League,
yeah
obviously. Not the characters per se, but Justice League, obviously. He used that
yes,
introduction to such an extent, he juiced it out to such an extent that he made a marvelous मोमेंट आउट ऑफ इट.
impactful.
मोमेंट बन गया एक हमारे लाइव्स में कि फक डूड जैक स्नाइडर्स जस्टिस लीग करके एक मूवी है, देखिए क्या.
Yeah,
नहीं देखिए तो जाके
exactly.
देखो. इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल मूवी एंड
Exactly.
I wouldn't recommend non-comic book fans or people who haven't watched the earlier movies to watch it, because honestly guys, you won't get it, you won't be able to appreciate it as much, and you will come and debate with me कि बहनचोद Endgame जितना कैसे था, Endgame ऐसे नीचे कैसे था.
Exactly.
Don't come and fight with me on that.
You're going to lose subscribers there, Mayank. तू खोएगा. तेरे होंगे. तू देखना.
I mean,
Analytics देखना तू अपना.
honestly, if people can't agree that हम लोग कॉमिक्स पढ़ चुके हैं इसीलिए ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, वो लोग नहीं पढ़े हैं इसीलिए ऐसा बोल रहे हैं. आई मीन इफ देयर इज अ कॉमिक बुक फैन आउट देयर who thinks that no Endgame was better and he has that those technical points, आओ भाई डिबेट करो. मैं खुशी खुशी डिबेट करूँगा if you have that knowledge. But then there are people who will say Joker is shit without knowing Joker at all. ठीक है.
तो कमेंट सेक्शन देखना अपना.
I'm
You're
like,
going to find people there.
well, I am ready to take them on. Honestly, I'm ready to take them all. Don't unsubscribe people. I'm ready to debate you guys. But comics is a prerequisite for this movie. तो पढ़े हो कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में पता है, तब आना लड़ने के लिए. मैं लड़ लूंगा भाई, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है. और टेक्निकल पॉइंट्स हुए तो अनिंदा मैं मान भी लूंगा. तेरे को ये पता है डीसी के बारे में, अगर तेरे पास टेक्निकल पॉइंट है ऑब्वियसली मैं मानता हूँ. तो
I agree, yeah.
So yeah, as I said, comic book knowledge is actually a prerequisite for this movie. At a lot of there were a lot of moments, there were a lot of points in the movie जहाँ पे I had to ask Anindya, dude, what does this mean, right Anindya? Because
Yeah.
when it comes to Zeus, when it comes to Zeus का बेटा, what was his name?
Aries.
Ares, yeah. when it comes to Zeus, when it comes to Ares, I hardly know anything about them. I hardly know anything about old gods in the DC universe. I know about the 6 characters shown here. I know about Aquaman, I know about Batman, Wonder Woman, Cyborg, Superman, Flash. To an extent I know about them जितना मूवी में दिखाया है और जितना जैक और दिखा सकता था एक मूवी में, उतना तो पता है मुझे इनके बारे में कि लाइक फ्लैश, Barry Allen has a girlfriend called Iris West. I mean Iris, and Iris का ये दिखाना मतलब इट्स लाइक आयरिस का इंट्रोडक्शन करवाना है इसमें वो ट्रक एक्सीडेंट सीन में. आई न्यू दैट ओके शी इज आयरिस बिकॉज द वे फ्लैश लुक्ड एट हर. वी डिडंट नीड एन इंट्रोडक्शन, नेम, इट वो मोमेंट से ही समझ में आ गया हमें, राइट? आई थिंक दैट वाज द
Right.
ब्यूटी ऑफ जैक. Second thing, I know about Superman and his problems with heroism. Although he's a proper Boy Scouts superhero, he can go rogue anytime, right? So
Exactly.
yeah, I know about that. So इसीलिए I say कि yes, this was better than Endgame because it gave us a true sense of what a comic book movie can be if a creator, I mean a director, a writer chooses to be true to the source.
Yeah.
I don't say.
So,
हाँ बोल.
no. I was just like pitching a fun fact or trivia over here. Iris West का जो scene है, when he's saving Iris West, and the truck that causes the accident has the original author of Justice League on it. So अगर तू देखेगा, I'm यार क्या बोले, नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है, बट लेकिन हाँ, द ट्रक पे जो नाम लिखा है दैट इज द एक्चुअल ऑथर ऑफ जस्टिस लीग.
Damn.
एनीवे कंटिन्यू.
So as I was saying that
Yeah.
it's totally fine, and I'm all in for it when it comes to changing the comic book character's story or like a hero's or a villain story to suit it to the cinematic viewers. ठीक है. If it improves or at least has the same potential as the comic book alter ego of the character. लेकिन अगर सपोज हम स्क्रल्स की बात करें अगर, ठीक है, कैप्टन मार्वल में, अब देख पोटेंशियल स्पॉयलर्स फॉर द फाल्कन एंड विंटर सोल्जर गाइस, जीमो को भी एज अ हीरो पोर्ट्रे करने की कोशिश की जा रही है, ठीक है. आई मीन ही इज डूइंग सम स्टफ while teaming up with Falcon and Winter Soldier. Okay. But that villainy in him is still intact. And he has elevated to another level called an anti-hero, where he has his own sense of justice and morals. Okay. Now he still stands by the fact that innocent people die. Lots of innocent people die in a hero and a villain's fight. Okay.
Of course, yeah.
And since MCU में this fact has been established by Vision, if you remember, that जब से Iron Man was born, तब से there has been an exponential increase in the number of antagonists. Remember, Civil War में बोलता है.
Yeah.
Zemo knows that, and that's why Zemo is like heroes shouldn't be allowed to exist, and that is how he's an antagonist also. Okay. Now, if you take Skrulls in Captain Marvel, there what they did is they turned beautiful villains, like villains with amazing potential, into beings that are just fucking refugees, helpless refugees.
Yeah.
Like what the hell, dude? That is pissing off.
Exactly. That's exactly one of the reasons why Captain Marvel was not such a big hit among us fans. Like,
exactly.
I did not like it.
Just
I did not like it.
पता है, एक ही रीजन से इतना ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल था मूवी कि वो MCU मूवी थी.
And yeah, the hype. इसी कारण से.
So
तो वही है.
So as I was saying, when it comes to being a comic book movie in a true sense, I think Zack Snyder nailed it, man. Nailed it. Seriously.
And in a movie in general, like for every part, set up karna, the reason, the climax, everything was depicted so beautifully. The reason why he actually goes on, assembling this Justice League, क्यों बैटमैन
Yeah,
को क्यों रहता है ये,
yeah.
then how how are they fighting, do they have a plan? First of all, first time उनका टर्मिनल में जो एनकाउंटर रहता है उसमें नहीं है, then
Hmm.
they lose.
Hmm.
Not lose, basically they let Steppenwolf get away, and in
Yeah.
fact Steppenwolf gets the better of them, all of
Huh.
them.
Yeah.
हाँ, वो हाँ defeat कर देता है वो, but then second time they have a plan, they have everything and of course Superman है, but लेकिन they're more prepared now, they know.
Yeah.
And final climax, so like this is the whole, it has a beginning, it has a middle, it has the end.
I know, right?
पिछले वाले में beginning था and then epilogue था,
Exactly.
ना middle था ना end था, there was nothing, the structure was all fucked up.
There, there,
So,
there was nothing in terms of the backstories of the characters. Like, okay, we knew Batman for a while, we knew Superman for a while, we knew Wonder Woman for a while. We didn't know Aquaman. You didn't tell us anything. We didn't know Flash. You didn't tell us anything. We didn't know Cyborg. You didn't tell us jack shit about Cyborg. How can you forget to show a character in the movie who has daddy issues? Okay. How can you forget
that sounds wrong,
that whole
but
side
like
of it? I said that because it sounds wrong. So, I mean, even Flash has daddy issues, obviously. Not that when it comes to relationship, but in the sense that his father is in jail, you know,
Mm.
for the murder of his mom, which is again pretty dark.
uh,
So,
mhm. So everybody in this movie, मतलब अगर हर किसी को देखो, all the 6 characters are
yeah,
wrestling their own demons type का दिखाते हैं. So
yes,
if we start with Cyborg, obviously he thinks he's broken, then he already lost his mom, then halfway through the movie he loses his father वगैरह, not
yeah,
halfway, 3/4,
yeah,
3/4 के बाद. Then Flash का अपना same ही रहता है, he lost his mom वगैरह. Wonder Woman is far away from home. She doesn't know whether they are alive or not.
yeah.
After Steppenwolf's encounter, Batman का तो everybody knows.
Batman
And
has no
Superman का भी
friends.
है.
Flash has no friends. So,
यार ये
Batman.
podcast is turning very sad
That's
for
why.
daddy.
That's why Batman goes, on a recruiting spree because he needs friends, and Flash is totally in because again he doesn't have friends.
He needs friends. Yeah, I mean, yeah.
So as we were saying, that each and everyone has their demons, and I think Batman's demon was he let Superman die. He killed Superman in a way. He was responsible for Superman's
yeah.
death. So his demon was to fight that, and
Exactly.
yeah,
He had a promise to keep.
yeah, and Superman's demon was just to remember himself. I think, man.
Like, just to be the kind of guy his fathers wanted him to be.
Yeah,
Not one, but both.
I know, right? So I
Mm.
think Zack Snyder did a pretty good job when it comes to giving a basic backstory to the characters we don't know anything about, and portraying the value of each and every character in its own sense. Like, मैंने मूवी देखी, उसके बाद मुझे लोग आके बोलते हैं कि बैटमैन ने क्या ही किया. तो आई वॉज लाइक बैटमैन वॉज ओवर शैडोड द होल टाइम. एक बार भी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं किया. मैंने कहा कि उसने डोम तोड़ा, उसने जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ, मुझे मीटिंग टाइम का पता है नहीं, आई विल गेट टू इट, जस्ट अ मिनट. सो
Yeah, sure.
एज आई वाज
Just
सेइंग,
like flagging it.
so
हाँ.
as I was saying that क्या बोल रहा था मैं? Yeah, Batman. We were on Batman.
Batman,
right?
the
So,
importance of that.
यार भाई
Yeah.
फ्लो टूट जाता है, माँ कसम यार. Anyway, बैटमैन की बात चल रही थी. बैटमैन dealt with the dome, which was the first stage towards beating Steppenwolf. Second stage, Batman fucking recruited everyone. I think that's where everything starts. Like, they even have a chance at doing shit. Third thing, Batman dealt with most of the parademons. Like, the other characters did not have to worry about the parademons just because Batman was there to deal with them, most of them. ठीक है. He literally took all the fire, crossfire, everything towards himself just so that each and everyone could complete their respective objectives. ठीक है. So third was that. Fourth was Batman literally gave everyone a base to work with. ठीक है. मतलब उसने एक सुपर हीरो बेस दिया है सबको कि भाई तुम यहाँ से काम करो, ये सब है, तुम्हें जो करना है करो, मैं पूरा लैब दे दे रहा हूँ अपना, तुमको जाओ ऐसे. ठीक है. दान किया उसने अपना लैब, जो उसको सबसे प्यारा है भाई. वी नो हाउ मच ही लव्स हिज बैट केव एंड हिज गैजेट्स एंड ही लेट पीपल फिडल विद इट.
And his Alfred.
Of course.
He gave up Alfred to
So
everybody.
So when people tell me that Batman was overshadowed, well, in terms of Steppenwolf, yes, he was, and I think Zack did a good job with it. क्योंकि Batman को I think comics में as a superhuman दिखाया है बहुत बार, but then वैसा situation arise हुआ था. यहाँ पे वैसा situation arise नहीं हुआ है. And as long as you're not bringing that situation into play, you can't show him as a god, fighting as a god or as a speedster, ठीक है, at any point. You have to show that there is a limit.
And that's one thing जो Zack Snyder ने clear कर दिया है. This Batman is a old retired one.
Exactly.
He has lost his Robin, and that not to Jason Todd nahi, and he lost his first Robin. That is Dick Grayson. And that's why he gave up the cowl and he gave up the mantle of Batman for a really long time. BVS is what brought him back, and then
Exactly.
this thing. He's not exactly prepared for an alien invasion. If you look into all that backstory, wo sab dekho, so then it is justified why he was overwhelmed with a supernatural being such as Steppenwolf.
Yeah. And also compare him to suppose Captain America or Hawkeye, ठीक है, in the Avengers. ठीक है. So Avengers में क्या होता है कि हॉकाई या कैप्टन अमेरिका की बात करें, they don't go and fight the boss all the time. They do not.
Exactly.
Infinity War में Captain America tried to fight Thanos. Thanos just punched him, like he was, I don't know what he was, like a bag
Bitch
of
slap
rice.
कर दिया.
Yeah, bitch slap कर दिया उसको सीधा. And like he didn't have a chance whatsoever. The only chance Captain America had against Thanos was because of Thor's hammer, Mjolnir, ठीक है, that he got in Endgame. ठीक है. वरना तू अगर Endgame का भी fight देखे ना, तो whatever damage that Thanos was dealing in the initial fighting sequence end का, उसमें आयरन मैन और ये क्या कहते हैं, थॉर ही ज्यादा डैमेज कर रहे थे. बंदा शील्ड फेंक के क्या कर लेगा भाई?
Like shield, that is frisbee.
And imagine Hawkeye coming to that fight at that moment. क्या कर रहे हो? नहीं करना था. तो हॉकाई क्या कर रहा था? हॉकाई was handling the gauntlet. He was like, don't let the gauntlet fall into Thanos' hands. What do we have to do? We have to fight the Outriders. Similarly, Batman has to fight the Parademons. It's similar. You can't say that Batman is overshadowed.
Exactly. And accessories की बात करनी है तो there are a lot of accessories that Batman has used in the comics जो that has given him way bigger advantages.
हाँ, prep time नहीं था इसके पास.
Exactly.
Movie में.
हाँ, he did know कि attack आ रहा है. He just went to a tunnel, saw Steppenwolf, and then he knew the attack is already here. It's not even coming. It's here, and it started.
Yeah, just a minute.
वही है. Meeting time. Yeah.
नहीं, meeting time नहीं. Fucking OBS goes haywire sometimes. You're back. Yeah, हाँ, बोल. So yeah, as you said, so it's all about prep time for Batman, and Batman did not have prep time to fight with Steppenwolf. Now, he has seen Axis, ठीक है.
Hmm.
क्या नाम था यार, डार्क साइड, या. नाउ ही हैज सीन
Hmm.
डार्क साइड, ठीक है. He has fought with Steppenwolf using a team. So now, if he comes
Exactly.
with the armor that can actually withstand Darkseid's Omega rays, remember the
Yeah.
armor that he uses to beat Darkseid.
Yeah.
Uh, I don't remember the name of the armor, but yeah, he uses it in the animated movies and in the comics too, right?
Yeah.
So
Awesome. Uh,
he'll be given prep time, and that is why he'll be able to even have a fighting chance against Darkseid. And at that time, if you say कि bro, this time Zack nailed it, last time यार कैसे भाई कैसे बात कर रहे हो, लास्ट टाइम जैक ने प्रेप टाइम नहीं दिया बैटमैन को, इस बार उसने इंटेंशनली प्रेप टाइम दिया. तो उसने कैरेक्टर का कॉन्डक्ट अपने हिसाब से किया है, एंड ही नेल्ड इट.
yeah. And it's not like कि अगर एक मूवी दिखाना है, if you want to have a multi-starrer movie, you cannot give every character the limelight all the time, right?
एग्जैक्टली.
ऐसे नहीं, you have to share it. एंड जब शेयर होगा तो कुछ कुछ मोमेंट्स किसी किसी के बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे, किसी किसी के नहीं लगेंगे, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली कंपैरेटिव होना नहीं चाहिए, बट कर लेते हैं लोग.
वही.
And that's the whole point. कि अब you are comparing him with a Kryptonian, with the Amazonian, Atlantean, a speedster, and a freaking god in today's world, a digital, and the guy who was literally made from a mother box, जिस पे पूरी मूवी है, जिसके लिए
People are
मूवी है.
idiots, man. Anyway,
So,
so as you were saying, Anindya, please continue that you're comparing it to an Atlantean, an Amazonian, a Kryptonian, a speedster, and a mother box born machine, right?
yeah, मतलब how, यार तू क्या उखाड़ सकता है यार? मेरे को ये पूछने का मत करता है.
Seriously, so I was saying that when you talk about a comic book character's portrayal, please talk about the kind of conduct director made the character have in the movie, right? Now, if we talk about the Dark Knight series, ठीक है, तीनों movies, ठीक है, brilliant, amazing, outstanding Christopher Nolan movies. That's the word I'll go with. Now, why wasn't it a great Batman movie according to me? Because where was the agility? Where was the punching power? You know, where was the weight in those action sequences that Zack Snyder's Batman had? There were no comic book moments in a comic book adapted movie. You understand? There was a perfect Joker. Okay, there was a perfectly mentally sick Joker. Okay, that I loved in the movie. But when it comes to portrayal of Batman, he had a lot of limitations, dude. Now, the comics, the animated movies, earlier Batmans, all of them have shots of them in such a way that it'll scare you, you know, at times. Remember BVS mein, when he's up at the wall and he crawls out of there, when he brands that criminal with the batarang and he crawls
Yeah.
out of there. I was fucking scared in the hall. I was shit scared. I was like, damn. And then I see, damn, that's Batman. And I'm like, that's a perfect feeling to have an introduction towards Batman.
Exactly.
You know? So
Exactly.
that is why. But now, when you say that The Dark Knight wasn't a good movie because Christopher Nolan didn't get it right, that isn't right. You know, he never wanted to get it right. He wanted
Exactly.
Batman in a real life scenario.
Yeah, that's exactly the point. Like,
Yeah.
he had a different, his own vision of Batman.
Why?
If realistic, he's not even a superhero. It's just a guy who wants to do the right thing.
Pure
And
vigilante, you know.
exactly, vigilante. वो vigilante था, and that's the thing. वो and after, and all he did was he got some skills, and then he used them, वगैरह वगैरह. What people try to people forget is Batman started out as a vigilante. वो starting years में यही काम करता था. What the Dark Knight trilogy kinda showed.
हाँ हाँ
He used to fight criminals. It is, and then it gradually became into this supernatural super being fighting member of the Justice League. He became that.
yeah.
That's the whole point.
And yet
Yeah,
uh, Christopher Nolan chose to uh, go with Ra's al Ghul as the first villain and teacher of all the martial arts that Bruce Wayne ever knew. He started out as
yeah,
Batman after he was properly started out after he was taught by Ra's al Ghul in the movie. The Batman Begins. Hi, when you're talking about Ra's al Ghul and you don't show a percent of magic, a percent of the Lazarus pit, जहाँ पे
हाँ,
लोग रिवाइव होते हैं, लिटरली डेथ, मतलब मरे हुए लोगों को वहाँ लाते हैं और वो रिजरेक्ट हो जाते हैं, ठीक है।
exactly.
बिना उसके तुम पूरा का पूरा रासाल गुल और उसका स्कूल दिखा रहे होगे, ठीक है।
Mm.
You're not getting it right, but he never
Mm.
purposed on it, on getting it right, and that is why
Uh,
it's a brilliant movie.
Sketch. He followed a sketch of Batman.
Yeah.
It's not. He didn't follow the story. He followed a sketch,
हाँ
and that's the reason. Like Joker was so perfect because Joker starting say the way he was designed, way he was written, it was always supposed to be a realistic
मेंटली सिक पर्सन,
antagonist.
हाँ, रियलिस्टिक
एग्जैक्टली
एंटागनिस्ट, या
हाँ. हु कौन है वो? एक इंसान जो पागल है,
जस्ट लाइक
लिटरल पागल
पनिशर,
है, जो कि
जस्ट लाइक
एग्जैक्टली
पनिशर,
एक
हाँ
इंसान. There, he is one human guy who is crazy. Punisher talks with his guns, violence. He has Joker has a different way. Both are the
हाँ,
same guy when you boil it down to the same thing. There's
they're
one
humans,
guy
they're
who's
just humans.
huh, and that's why Joker has been such a बिग ऑफ डिबेट कि हीथ लेजर ने किया था अच्छा, जैरेड लेटो ने किया था. इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. जैरेड हीथ लेजर का फिट हो गया था इन द एंटायर सिनेरियो.
Yeah,
In the it sort of melded into the entire thing because Heath Ledger, the Dark Knight showed the potential of Joker कि how
हाँ,
crazy can he actually be.
yeah.
उसके बाद के जो भी पोर्ट्रेल्स है, लाइक जस्टिस लीग में ये छोटा सा कैमियो, सुसाइड स्क्वाड में, it never showed the extent of craziness of Joker, and that's
But
his USP.
but at the same time, ठीक है, Joker confronting Batman face to face and talking about the dead son, ठीक है, without showing a a drop of fear, ठीक है, in front of Batman.
That is classic Joker.
Exactly.
That's
It's giving me goosebumps right now talking about it, That is
yeah.
classic Joker.
And this is what Joker does, and he has done over the years. Comic देख
Provoking
लो.
Batman is all he has done, dude. And you say that Heath Ledger is this guy Jared Leto is
Jared,
not doing a great job. How the fuck can you say
exactly,
that? And that
exactly.
laugh, and that laugh.
And the way he's like all serious, and he's like, "You're good, you're good," and that's what Joker does. That's what, and even in the most serious moments, he's thinking about how to get Batman. How to trigger Batman.
Exactly.
And that's his own motive. That's
And
his
then
entire motive.
when Superman like lands there, ठीक है, everybody is like fuck आ गया, मारो बहन, मतलब कुछ तो करो भाई, कुछ प्रिपेयर करो, ये वो फ्लैश के ऐसे मास्क ये होने लगता है, ठीक है, ये लोग अपना वेपन सब ऐसे ये करने लगते हैं, ऐसे जोकर खड़ा है लाइक ओ भाई सुपरमैन आ गया भाई, मजे आ जाएंगे, सुपरमैन आ गया भाई। आई एम लाइक यही तो है जोकर, लाइक
This
now Jared
this
Leto has gotten the essence of it exactly right. Now all he needs is more screen time, and in my opinion he'll nail it.
Of course, I couldn't agree more. Like Jared Leto को एक चांस दे दो. अभी the problem is, पता है, स्टैंड अलोन चांस नहीं दे सकते. क्यों क्यों बता. दिस इज माय ओपिनियन एंटायरली. लॉट ऑफ पीपल, द स्टैंड अलोन चांस जैरेड लेटो को नहीं देना चाहिए, बिकॉज अपेरेंटली अगर स्टैंड अलोन मूवी आएगी जोकर की, इट विल बी कंपेयर्ड टू वॉकिन फीनिक्स.
Joaquin
एंड
Phoenix,
विच
yeah, of course, which has
एंड
set a
विच
very high
एंड
standard. Yeah.
yeah, and but again, same cheese condition बहुत अलग है. Joaquin Phoenix didn't never had a Batman set, never had
हाँ,
anybody. He never had any other criminals to deal with. Is
exactly.
just one guy who is slowly losing it, and then
Constantly beat down by
eventually,
society to be forced to turn into
exactly,
future
and that's
into the
the,
Joker.
yeah, but ये जो essence है, ये जो point है, that will be overlooked. लोग बोलेंगे जोकर है, कंपेयर करते हैं, अच्छा नहीं है. Never mind that.
Exactly. I mean,
That's the whole.
uh, you might as well say that when it comes to Joaquin Phoenix का Joker, it lacked a huge thing, ठीक है, which was essentially Batman.
हाँ, yeah, मतलब
Because if you have read comics, ठीक है, you know that Joker and Batman to a huge extent define each other.
of course, like इसके लिए ना, this is one thing where I pull out a card which almost 90% of the people don't know. It's a game, Arkham Knight. Arkham Knight में this depiction is very beautiful, very beautiful.
Exactly.
So spoiler alert, किसी को खेलना है तो I'm sorry, you missed your chance.
स्पॉइलर
बहुत
अलर्ट
time है.
क्या भाई, 2011-12 की गेम है, नहीं खेला है तो तुम भाड़ में जाओ भाई, क्या स्पॉइलर अलर्ट, हट.
Exactly. So the background is कि Batman has Joker's blood injected into him during a sort of surgery, and he's
Yeah.
slowly turning into Joker.
Yeah.
And since he has so much he's had so much conversations with Joker, he's starting to hallucinate Joker.
Yeah.
And that's when that's the point. Like यही चीज देख लो कि they have interacted, they are a part of each other so much कि he in his head only, Bruce in his head only can have an entire conversation with him when he has already died in the previous
Yeah.
game.
I mean, Joker had a bigger role in this than any other game, and Joker मर चुका है.
Exactly. And that's how beautifully they define.
Yeah. So I
And
think.
by the way, Mark Hamill की आवाज as Joker.
हाँ भाई. Epic. Epic. तो वही बोल रहा था मैं कि as you said, the setting is very different. So please judge the characters according to their conduct. Do not judge them just based on one single depiction, or compare it with something else that was in a totally different setup. Now, if you want to compare Jared Leto with the Joker in Arkham Knight, yes, Jared Leto doesn't stand a chance. And one huge factor is time, screen time, जो कि Jared Leto के पास नहीं था, right? So we can't know कि how crazy can Jared Leto's Joker get if given a chance, right? जो कि Arkham Knight के Joker का हमें पता है कि भाई वो बंदा फाड़ सकता है बैटमैन की अगर चाहे तो, right?
In Jared Leto's defense, उसका cumulative screen time is less than a fiction, like Arkham Knight
is less than a short
Joker
film altogether.
Exactly. हाँ, cumulative screen time अभी तक का. तो how can you judge, like तू कैसे कर सकता है भाई, इतने जल्दी तो किसी एक्टर को जज नहीं कर देते जितना एक कैरेक्टर को कर दिए. इन जनरल एक एक्टर को, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द कैरेक्टर. बंदा मेहनत कर रहा है यार, 10-10 मिनट के लिए इतना मेहनत कर रहा है वो. कमेंट दैट.
तो वही सीन है कि people judge too fast and too wrong, right? कभी कभी तो इतना टाइम लेके भी people judge too wrong, talking about.
सुन, साइकोलॉजिकल पॉडकास्ट करने नहीं आए उनके साथ, ठीक है?
So Justice League पे वापस आते हुए है. एक ही चीज़ इरिटेटिंग थी मूवी में, ठीक है,
हाँ,
जब भी वंडर वुमन आ रही है पीछे हाँ हाँ चल रहा है भाई, बंदी बंदी पिटे जा रही है, तुम पीछे हाँ बजा दिए उसके एंट्रेंस पे, उसका पिटने का सीक्वेंस था, क्या कर रहे हो?
एना पता है मैं आज ही इसका मीम देखा हूँ।
हाँ, एंड दोज मीम्स आर
अच्छा
सो
वंडर,
एप्ट.
I saw this like caption था Wonder Woman does anything and there was this guy जो कि वायलिन बजा रहा है ना, वायलिन से चिंगारी निकल रही है, स्पार्क्स आ रही है। So
वो छोड़,
that's the whole.
वो तो लेजेंडरी दिखा दिया, फिर भी कुछ की वायलिन से स्पार्क्स निकल रहे, ठीक है. मैंने एक मीम देखा, उसमें ऐसा था कि वंडर वुमन डज एनीथिंग ऑन स्क्रीन एंड दिस स्टार्ट्स प्लेइंग, एंड उस पे बंदा क्या कर रहा था, लिखा है वंडर वुमन गोज टू ड्रिंक वाटर फ्रॉम द फ्रिज, फ्रिज से वाटर निकाली, पीछे बजने लगा बंदा से. आई एम लाइक, हाँ ये फीलिंग आई थी मूवी में भाई, ये फीलिंग आई थी मूवी. एंड फ्लैश के स्लोमो भाई, सारे स्लोमो, और आई थिंक एडेड सो मच टू द कैरेक्टर, मतलब माय गॉड.
हम्म,
सौरभ
पता है
तांतिया बोला था कि फ्लैश का एक रनिंग स्टाइल बस अच्छा नहीं लगा, जिसमें वो हाथ का ऐसा फेंक रहा है, यू नो. अब लाइक हाँ,
हाँ,
हाँ, थोड़ा फनी था उसका स्टाइल, बट आई थिंक जैसे उसका पोटेंशियल दिखाया ना पावर्स को लेकर, उसके वजह से
हम्म,
उसके रनिंग स्टाइल पे उतना ध्यान नहीं जाता भाई मेरा.
लाइक रनिंग स्टाइल है वो, इंसान तो इंसान, अब तू अक्षय कुमार को अगर फ्लैश बना देगा तो ऐसे करके भागेगा, तो ऐसे वो भी तो अलग ही
वैसे
रहेगा ना
वैसे
भाई।
अक्षय कुमार रन्स मोर लाइक कॉमिक फ्लैश देन एजरा मिलर रन्स लाइक कॉमिक फ्लैश. Akshay Kumar
ट्रू ट्रू,
when he runs comedically he's like and Flash actually runs stiff hands से पूरा, देखा है तूने?
वेल वेलकम वाला
हाँ
फ्लैशी
हाँ,
वाला।
वेलकम भूल
I'll
भुलैया सब
edit,
में.
यार मैं I'll edit this ना, मैं
हाँ
प्रीमियर
मीम
प्रो
बनाइयो
में
भाई
एडिट
मीम.
करेगा। मैं
ब्रो इसका ये बनाइयो ना वो वाला, एजरा मिलर का फ्लैश ऐसे भाग रहा है लाइक
हम्म,
अक्षय कुमार का भूल भुलैया का अक्षय कुमार लिया, उस पर फ्लैश का सूट डाल के लाइक.
यार कम यार,
तो
टू गुड।
हाँ, तो आई थिंक वो एक चीज़ था कि डायना का कुछ भी हो रहा था तो आ रहा था, वो एक इरिटेटिंग फैक्टर था. उसके अलावा ब्रो, वंडर वुमन का बैंक वाला सीन, ओ गूज बम्प्स, द वे
सो गुड
दे
मैन।
शो दोज मूवमेंट्स, माय गॉड, एपिक.
वो दरवाजा तोड़ती है एंड देन शी एनालाइजेस द एंटायर रूम, वो पूरा समझ जाती है कि क्या क्या करना
विद इन
है।
2 सेकेंड समझ जाती है, एंड उसके बाद जो वो लिटरली ब्रेसलेट से जो रिफ्लेक्ट होते हैं बुलेट्स, अब लाइक अरे भाई ये तो जस्टिस लीग का जो ये कार्टून नहीं आता था, वो पूरा वो वाला सीन कर दिया भाई तुमने, तो सही है यार, वो वाला फीलिंग आ गया था मेरे को देखते हुए, बहुत बढ़िया था. मतलब इंटरनेट में कुछ दिक्कत आ रही है, बट ही विल बी बैक. तो गाइस आप कमेंट्स में बताएं कि आपको क्या क्या अच्छा लगा इस मूवी, अच्छा लगा, एंड वील ट्राई टू सी कि.
हेलो।
हेलो, या यू आर बैक, इंटरनेट कनेक्शन की वजह से दिक्कत हो गई थी. तो हाँ, आई वाज सेइंग गाइस, आप कमेंट्स में बताएं कि व्हाट ऑल डिड यू लाइक इन द मूवी, व्हाट ऑल डिड यू डिसलाइक अबाउट द मूवी, एंड वी माइट बी एबल टू करेक्ट यू समवेयर, और you might be able to give us some new information which would lead us to change our opinion about things a little. So yeah.
नॉट चेंजिंग ओपिनियंस।
So फ्लैश की बात अगर करें, सुपरमैन का तो यार ऑलरेडी बहुत जानते हैं यार, सुपरमैन के बारे में मुझे नहीं बात करना
छोड़ दे चूते को।
है. चूतिया नहीं, बट ठीक है. आई मीन सुपरमैन का वो एक
हाँ,
ह्यूमन साइड जो है बहुत अच्छे से दिखाया है बीवीएस एंड सब में,
हाँ,
बट उससे ज़्यादा क्या ही बात करें सुपरमैन के बारे में यार. एक परफेक्ट
इट्स
हीरो
नॉट लाइक,
जिसका वीकनेस एक पत्थर है. क्या कैरेक्टर डेप्थ डालोगे तुम उसमें? जैक स्नाइडर ने इतना कोशिश करके फिर भी उसका ह्यूमन साइड दिखाया, फिर भी लोग बोलते हैं अरे मैन ऑफ स्टील क्या गंदी मूवी थी. मैंने कहा कुछ तो था मूवी में भाई, तुमको क्या अच्छा लग रहा है? मैट रीव्स के सुपरमैन ने क्या दिखाया था ऐसा जो तुमको अच्छा लगा इतना, जो मैन ऑफ स्टील में नहीं
आई
दिखाया?
क्या, एंड दैट्स एंड इसमें पूरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट दिखाना कि लाइक first of all, he came back, he didn't know what to do, वगैरह वगैरह.
हाँ,
He died and he died in BVS. He didn't know, मतलब exactly सारे memories तो वापस आए नहीं थे.
him
He died
learning
in
how to
BVS.
fly.
हाँ, and like even the first time he landed on the farm, वो उसने पूरे sentences नहीं बोले. Did I not before? I'm not really sure. मतलब this can be me reading too much into it, but लेकिन did I not before is not a complete sentence that
अबे
say
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना कि
did I? Right.
इट्स लाइक
It's
मैन ऑफ स्टील में व्हेन दे शो हिम लर्निंग हाउ टू फ्लाई, ठीक है,
mm, mm,
हाउ मेनी सुपरमैन हैव डन दैट फॉर यू ऑन स्क्रीन, टेल मी दैट, ठीक है.
just Superman seeing that the scenes where he flies into the space and like absorbs the sun's energy.
हाँ,
Oof.
एग्जैक्टली. आई मीन हाउ
I'm not.
many people have actually exploited Superman to that level where they have shown all their powers, where they have shown the love story with Lois Lane, and then they have also shown that human side to him, which is why he protects humans, because he actually got to call that planet his home. You know?
Exactly. His own home, was destroyed, and then these guys, the Kents, took him in. उसको actually अपने बेटे की तरह प्यार किया and everything like
Uh,
that's
इसमें
that's uh,
remember Matt Reeves Superman में the
uh,
first movie came when they showed him कि he picked up that car जब बच्चा था, ठीक है,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
वो तो ठीक है, समझ गया. But then in that they always showed him embracing his powers, always showed
हम्म.
him embracing his powers, ठीक है. And
But इसमें never
In Man of Steel, his father used to tell him, I know that you're a good man,
don't
but
uh,
don't do it in front of people because people will always be scared.
scared.
And he
Exactly,
also
exactly that.
said that if you're okay with people being scared, then do it. But then you will end up very lonely. You know?
Of course, like that's the whole point, and like that's how Superman has been. उसने बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी आइडेंटिटी छुपा के रखी है.
वही.
Yeah. So that's
तो वही बोल रहा हूँ ना कि Man of Steel, I think Matt Reeves' Superman was essentially a love story with some of the superheroic intent to it, because so much of Lois Lane and Superman in it all the time. At a point, Superman actually stops being Superman because he wants to be with Lois Lane. Remember Matt Reeves के second movie में I think जब जिस पे मैन ऑफ स्टील बनी थी जॉर्ड एंड ऑल पे, जिसमें वो एग्जाइल पे रहता है, मैन ऑफ स्टील की जो स्टोरी थी वो मैट रीव्स के सेकंड मूवी की स्टोरी थी, वेयर दे आर इन एग्जाइल
second part. Yeah.
एंड उसमें जब वो नीचे आते हैं तो आधे मूवी तो मिलते ही नहीं है भाई कि कहाँ है क्या है, कुछ तो पता ही नहीं है भाई, और एलियंस आ गए पता ही नहीं है भाई कि एलियंस आ गए, ठीक है. पहली तो दूसरी बात, पता चलने के बाद भी ये बंदा इस हाँ ठीक है मेरे को सुपरमैन नहीं बना, लुइस लेन के साथ मस्त आदमी बन के रहना है मेरे को, ठीक है चलो वो भी एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, एक नया ट्विस्ट दे दिया
मन नहीं कर रहा है यार, क्या मन नहीं कर रहा है यार.
हाँ. तो मतलब फिर भी it's essentially just a love story and a black and white story where you're showing a Boy Scout superhero, where you're showing Kryptonians who are villains, and then he is just fighting Kryptonians who are villains because saving people is the right thing to do. Now why the fuck would it just be the right thing to do? People from your home planet have come and they are like, bro हम इसको अपना घर बना सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं करना चाहेगा आदमी भाई. उसका ग्रैटिट्यूड वाला पार्ट दिखाया नहीं उसमें, उस मूवी में. And the people still think that Matt Reeves' की Superman movie is better than this just because his powers were portrayed that well. Wow.
And I don't believe that. I don't agree with that. Powers were portrayed well. Nahi, I of course CGI had to play a big part, but then the subtlety इसमें जो दिखाए हैं, in all the movies, like whenever Superman takes off, there's a sonic boom sort of. And even Man of Steel में क्या है, like first time Lois Lane के पास, like he tries to take off in front of Lois Lane, he tells her to back off a little more, a little more, 2 times, and then he takes off because and that's the subtle movement. And even in Justice League, I'm trying to steer it back because क्योंकि Man of Steel घुस रहे हैं हम लोग. But even in this बहुत subtly वो axe swing पे आता है and he takes it.
Oh, bhai, that was
And
epic.
it's
I
not
mean,
like so.
he has learned his powers over time
Mm,
from Man of Steel to Zack Snyder's Justice League, and his latest power was being a speedster. You know,
mm,
if you remember Justice League में, ठीक है, uh, Whedon actually had Flash and Superman racing, and Superman
हाँ.
was flying. I'm like, whoa, whoa. I thought they both were running, dude. What the fuck is this? I've read that issue where Superman and Flash have a race. Superman was running, bitch. What the fuck is this you're showing me? What is this shit gobar you put in front of my eyes? एंड रिमेंबर हॉल में देखने का था ना, मैं उसी टाइम तेरे को पूछा था,
हाँ.
लाइक सुपरमैन उड़ता है क्या फ्लैश के साथ रेस करते समय? ऐसा होता है क्या? ये क्या डिसएडवांटेज है भाई फ्लैश को? ही नीड्स अ सरफेस टू रन, नहीं सुपरमैन ऐसा उड़ जाएगा? ये क्या है?
ऐसे तो फ्रिक्शन तो कुछ रहेगा, एयर फ्रिक्शन रहेगा कम साला, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं, मतलब कुछ भी कर दिखाओगे क्या?
एंड इसमें वो चीज़ दिखाई है कि हाँ, सुपरमैन विथ फ्लाइंग ही कैन ऑल्सो रन फास्ट, ठीक है,
हम्म.
जिसके वजह से उसका तो मतलब मूवमेंट रहता है टूवर्ड्स ये द एक्स एज यू सेड,
हम्म.
इसका इट इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू द सर्फेस, यू नो, वेर ही स्टैंडिंग,
हम्म.
एंड दैट्स वेयर दे शो कि हाँ, ही कैन ऑल्सो बी अ स्पीडस्टर डूड इफ ही वांट्स.
एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक जस्ट वो एक्स वाला सीन, फ्लैश से फाइट करते समय ही, फ्लैश इज
हाँ
इन स्पीड फोर्स, इसमें दे एक्सप्लेन स्पीड फोर्स एज अ प्लेन व्हिच कैन मैनिपुलेट स्पेस
हाँ
टाइम, उसको एक्सेस करने के लिए अलग से एनर्जी चाहिए, एंड दिस इज लाइक, एंड सुपरमैन कैन एक्सेस दैट प्लेन आल्सो, लाइक स्पीड फोर्स में वो स्पेस टाइम को मैनिपुलेट कर सकता है खुद भी, तो दैट्स, एंड नॉट इवन वो
सुपरमैन
सीन भी है
10,000 has done it,
अगर,
right?
हम्म,
हाँ.
सुपरमैन कैन डू, इज कैन मूव एट द स्पीड फोर्स स्पीड्स,
Hmm.
वो हम्म, काफी टाइम, काफी बार उन्होंने उसने, although फ्लैश की पावर है, so that's, but बैरी एलन की स्पीड मैच किया है.
Hmm.
Of course he can, they cannot show it that he's greater because of obvious reasons, फिर फ्लैश का पॉइंट क्या रह जाएगा,
हाँ.
बट नहीं.
लाइक तू ही कर
The
ले
thing
यार,
is,
मैं नहीं कर रहा, बैठ तू ही बनना फ्लैश, मैं जा रहा हूँ घर. आज से
तो
बुला
मैं क्या
मत
करूँ,
लियो
जॉब,
साले, आज से बुला मत लियो, ठीक है? सब तू ही
फ्लैश
कर
भी
ले.
लाइक, तो फ्लैश भी लाइक, तो क्या मैं क्या करूँ, जॉब छोड़ दूँ?
बैटमैन भी लाइक मेरे साथ आ जा, मैं भी ऐसे कुछ नहीं ही कर रहा हूँ. गैजेट इस्तेमाल करके तू भी बन जा तेज उससे. तेरे को दे दूंगा मैं थोड़ा स्केट्स वेट्स टाइप का कुछ दे दूंगा ब्रो, और ज्यादा तेज होने के लिए.
हाँ ना, मैं बैट स्केट्स देखा तेरे को. And, तो
बस
आई लाइक,
आई डोंट नो व्हाट वुड यू कॉल इट. बैट स्केट्स.
हो गया, वो हर चीज के आगे बैट लगा देता, तो मैं क्या है, मेरी गलती थोड़ी है भाई. तो क्या बोल रहा था, हाँ, द सी लास्ट सीन वेयर साइबॉर्ग ऑलमोस्ट सब तीनों मदर बॉक्सेस को हटा दिया है, एंड सुपरमैन इज फार ऑफ एंड ही कॉल्स आउट टू सुपरमैन, एंड ही इज लाइक सू, not exactly this sound effect, but
हाँ, आई अंडरस्टैंड, आई गेट इट. वो एग्जैक्टली, तो आई थिंक बहुत डिटेल में दिखाया है सुपरमैन को. इतना डिटेल में मैंने आज तक किसी सुपरमैन के पोर्ट्रेल को नहीं देखा है. सो Zack Snyder hasn't gotten his due credit when it comes to these movies and these character portrayals, because people just outright
अच्छा,
ignored the
सब
character depth and the character development that they tried to show, and they were like, नहीं यार, सुपरमैन ने कभी किसी को मारा ही नहीं है, तो मार कैसे सकता है? Snyder gave him a choice: either let humans die or kill Zod. He did not have a third choice. Okay,
exactly. And
so
एक
again situational.
डेवलपमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, सो इट्स, सी, डेवलपमेंट का एक चीज है, यू नेवर मेजर द डेवलपमेंट बाय हाउ बेटर अ गुड थिंग इज ऑलरेडी मेड. पता
Yeah,
नहीं अब फिलोसफिकल क्यों क्यों हो रहा हूँ मैं,
हाँ,
बट फक
समझ गया
दैट.
मैं, समझ गया.
But you see these characters, जब Batman, Superman, these characters are already very famed, इनका है ही बहुत पहले से.
हाँ
हाँ, Cyborg, look at Cyborg, how little is he known, how
हाँ
little is he known, and how good, how wonderfully. he was portrayed.
I think
And
Cyborg का हमें सिर्फ इतना पता है, मतलब people like us who haven't read a lot
uh,
of DC comics or haven't read them at all, some of them. So
mm,
for people like them, it's just been the Teen Titans का Cartoon Network वाला show. I think that was the main source of
exactly,
Cyborg that we had, nothing else.
exactly. Cyborg is, अगर कोई मीडिया रिप्रेजेंटेशन देखना है तो इट्स टीन टाइटंस का मेंबर.
Yeah.
But nobody knows that Cyborg was actually a part of League, a full-fledged Justice League. And Justice League का पार्ट ऐसे नहीं हो सकते, बिकॉज बैटमैन रेगुलेट करता है यार. You cannot underestimate Batman. That's the part. And इसमें कितने अच्छे से दिखाया है कि literally since he can like he's the king of the digital world. Everything is digital. वो कुछ भी कर सकता है.
Yeah. That digital plane that they showed that Cyborg has, just like the Speed
हाँ.
Force that Barry has, like all that.
Exactly.
I mean, each and everyone had their space to go to. Aquaman literally has water, man. What can I say? So I think we've pretty much
But
covered
वहाँ पे
everything.
वहाँ पे मोलेस्ट हो जाएगा ना Aquaman. एम्बर हर्ड है ना.
हटवा दे वीडियो, क्या तू भाई, हटवा देना वीडियो, मैं डालूंगा ही नहीं भाई माँ साला. करियर शुरू हुआ नहीं, तू पहले ख़त्म करने में लगे लोग भाई. मेरा केसेस दर्द हो जाएगा. लकीली मैं फेमस नहीं हूँ भाई. आई एम सो लकी टू नॉट हैव दैट फेम येट.
Anyway, वो तो ठीक है, but पता है this thing will actually filter out your audience. The
I
number of
expected
people
better
who
from Snyder, you know. I thought it will be someone else playing Mira.
good point, good point, good
So
point.
anyway,
But वो तो shoot हो चुकी थी. Anyway,
coming to Aquaman, I think we know about Aquaman from the movie, so we don't need to discuss about him essentially. But yeah, I think what Snyder nailed about Aquaman was showing the prequel to Aquaman really well. Even though the movie came out, उसके बाद भी Aquaman का वो इंट्रोडक्टरी फेज दिखाना जहाँ पे तुम उसके कैरेक्टर के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बता रहे हो, बट इतना बता रहे हो कि हमें पता है कि ठीक है ये बंदा Aquaman बनेगा आगे जाकर. भाई माई गॉड, यू नीड दैट. वो प्रॉपर एक स्पेस है ना जहाँ पे you don't talk too less, you don't talk
sweet
too
spot.
much. Exactly, that's sweet spot. I think Aquaman was well in that sweet spot. So
exactly.
we have covered everyone from the heroes. Talking about the villains, I think Steppenwolf एक ही है.
वो तो ठीक है. And how like I just want to mention it, honorable mention. Flash's scene was orgasmic, if nothing else. It was like,
I mean that
yeah.
like the moment he taps into Speed Force, I'm like, wait, he just did it. He just
And
did it in the introductory scenes. I mean introductory movie, and then you realize, okay, that's how we know that Flash actually knows everything about his powers. It's just that वो suit पे अभी भी improvise कर रहे हैं, you know.
Exactly. And the background is कि he's actually a scientist.
Yeah.
He's actually
Amazing
a scientist
stuff.
with a very high IQ. You can मतलब ये सब दिखाई नहीं है, but you can pick this up by the suit design that he has made.
Silica
himself.
quads, stuff like fireproof things and all.
LUCD का something वो नहीं याद है मेरे को, खैर. But you can pick up on this. ये बहुत subtle सा एक detail था.
And this suit where you know I mean इस suit में जो जगह जगह पे strings लगे हुए हैं to actually keep things together sort of, and to actually not conduct current to his body but to the suit and then ground it. वो actually वो wires उसके लिए थे, you know, ताकि अगर तू देखेगा तो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि सीन मतलब उसका भागने का सीन खत्म हुआ एंड देन जो करंट है वो उस वायर्स में दिखेगा तुझे जाते हुए यहाँ से वहाँ. So I mean amazing stuff, dude.
Even in the setup scene when he's like setting up, you just gotta break the rule barrier. You can see यहाँ पे जो wires है उनमें charge build up हो रहा है.
हाँ, exactly.
And that's how it starts. So every smallest detail that scene, it changed the entire movie. यार, it changed the entire fucking movie. वो एक scene.
I know, right? Something else. The movie was something else after.
Uh, okay, now we can talk about villains. First of all,
We have 5 minutes for the second meeting to end, buddy. We've talked a lot
uh,
today. Just a minute.
यार 4 घंटे की मूवी थी, घंटे में मूवी थोड़ी समरी देना.
तो आई थिंक जस्टिस लीग पार्ट 2 करते हैं ब्रो. विलन्स रखते हैं उसके लिए, ठीक है. पार्ट
Sure.
1 इज ऑलरेडी 58 मिनट्स लॉन्ग, जिसमें बीच में आई थिंक 5-7 मिनट एडिट हो जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्रॉब्लम आई हैड.
हाँ,
So anyway, other than
हाँ,
that,
हाँ.
we had a pretty good discussion. I think we discussed Joker, we discussed Steppenwolf to an extent. He was a wuss.
भाई एटलीस्ट दिखता तो बेटर था जॉस वीडन से.
I swear, आदमी था उसमें, जॉस वीडन में. अरे ये तो लौंडा है. इसमें जैक स्नाइडर जस्टिस लीग में,
कॉस्ट्यूम में कोई लॉन्ड.
जैक स्नाइडर जस्टिस लीग में, हाँ एग्जैक्टली, हैलोवीन कॉस्ट्यूम. तो हाँ, जैक स्नाइडर जस्टिस लीग में इट वाज लाइक, नहीं यार मैं काफ़ी बड़ा हूँ, मैं मार सकता हूँ, अमेजोनियन से लड़ के फाड़ सकता हूँ. एंड देन वो आता है, क्या कहते हैं, एक्सेस आता है स्किन पे, एंड इज लाइक नहीं तू लौंडा ही है. भाई,
चुके.
एंड इमेजिन, लाइक आई आस्क्ड यू दिस एंड यू टोल्ड मी राइट कि स्टेपेनवुल्फ जो है अंकल है डार्क साइड का. चिच्चा ओवर एक्टिंग मत करें, वापस आइए. फेल कर गए आप.
50 रुपए काट एक्टिंग ओवर एक्टिंग का.
trying too hard ka, in fact. That's what he did in the movie. Tried too hard to be a villain. Succeed as a villain. He was a good villain, but he tried too hard to succeed as a villain. That's where he failed, I think.
डार्क साइड उस दिन दारू पी रहा होगा, लाइक कि साले वॉन्ट अ बीस्ट. जाके मर जाते हैं. मैं
फिर बगल से उसका बोला, भाई मैं बोला था ना भाई, उसका जो सर्किट
मैं
है
बोला था.
मैं बोला था नहीं करेगा वो. अब माने नहीं, बोलता हाँ जाने दो. कहता ठीक है तू शिप निकाल, चलते हैं अभी. काफ़ी क्रिंज कंटेंट लास्ट में. एनीवे, so thank you Anindya. It's 12:38 a.m. 12:40 a.m. My god, it takes so much work. People don't realize. You guys don't realize, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Okay, it takes a lot of effort actually to curate such content.
9773912858 is Mayank's number. उस पे पेटीएम कर देना.
I don't think so. I don't think that's my number. But ठीक है अनिंद्या, तू मुझे पेटीएम कर देना. क्योंकि मुझे अपना नंबर लीक नहीं करना. So
मेरा बीप कर देना प्लीज.
इतना फेमस नहीं है तू. So anyway,
I don't know.
guys, Anindya has his own channel. Anindya, name of the channel? Peritus. जहाँ पे गेमिंग क्लिप्स अनिंद्या डालता था, क्योंकि वो बेवकूफ़ है, वो अब डालता नहीं है. डालेगा.
It's in the making. Literally, I have to edit it. Fuck, within next
अच्छा,
week. And
जस्ट
this
हैव
will
टू
be a
एडिट इट.
better
बिल्कुल
one.
बिल्कुल, कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करना, बस
अरे
पूरा एडिट मारना है, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं.
2-3 क्लिप डालने हैं भाई, बाकी रिकॉर्डिंग. I had to learn some extra things for this, man. Come on.
हाँ, I understand. So anyway, wrapping it up. Thank you Anindya for being on the podcast. Guys, check out his channel Peritus if you like gaming. Amazing gaming clips, amazing skills this guy has. Like, share, subscribe. Okay. एंड मेरे चैनल को भी लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए. तीनों फ्री है. मेंबरशिप तो तब आएगी ना जब 3,000 10,000 पे पहुँचेंगे, जितना भी मिलता है यार, मतलब जितनी मेंबरशिप शुरू होती है, ठीक है. वहाँ पहुँचेंगे तब तो पैसे लगाने पड़ेंगे. अभी पैसे कहाँ लग रहे हैं. करो लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब भाई. एंड इफ़ यू फील दैट कहीं भी कुछ कमी आ रही है, कहीं भी कंटेंट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, लेट अस नो. वील ट्राई टू चेंज इट. वील ट्राई टू मेक इट मोर सूटेबल टुवर्ड्स you guys. But then also know this, that you come here to sort of know my opinion on it, okay? So don't expect me to totally change it. तुम्हें अगर पेशेंस नहीं है तो यू आर नॉट अ पॉडकास्ट ऑडियंस, एंड दैट इज़ वाई व्हेन यू से कि भाई पॉडकास्ट बना रहा है उसको छोटा कर. छोटी चीज़ें पॉडकास्ट नहीं होती भाई, ठीक है. स्टिल रीच तो बढ़ानी है, तो इंस्टा के लिए 8-8 मिनट की क्लिप्स आएंगी, वो लाइक करिएगा, आगे करिएगा. वो भी नहीं किया तो फिर आप तो हिपोक्रेट निकले ना भाई. एनीवे, ऑल दिस इज़ ह्यूमर. सब ह्यूमर है भाई, सब ह्यूमर है. ऑल ऑफ दिस इज़ फॉर ह्यूमर. एंड जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, मीटिंग हो गई ख़त्म अनिंद्या की. So thank you so much for coming to my channel, and please let me know if you need anything more from me. I'll definitely look into it, and if it's possible, you'll have it. If it's not possible, I'll let you guys know that it's not possible. Everything that I said earlier was just humor mostly. I'm not being rude, guys. Seriously, it's mostly humor, so don't worry. Love you guys. Good night. Good night. तो क्या ही आपके लिए क्या ही good night. Take care and see you.